Today we're just going to talk about, hooking your Power Screed throttle, from the lever handle that does the accelerator to the Honda engine. So it's not too hard. It might come and you'll have to assemble it. You'll just put the handles on, but you're going to want to pull this throttle out. It might be in the tube. You might be like, oh, it's short. We'll just pull the throttle down so it's reaching the right distance. Sometimes it gets bunched up in there. So the first step is you're going to remove the air filter cover, and you're going to take these two washers and you're going to kind of separate them out and then loosen this bolt on the end. And what you're going to do is there's like a little black piece right here, and you're going to slip it over that black piece. The washer's on the outside of it. And then you'll take that bolt on the end and you'll tighten it so that the throttle's stuck in place. Next thing you'll do is you'll go to your handle and you'll move the accelerator all the way forward, and what you'll see is the wire is actually coming up. You can see in this video. So the wire is going to come forward, and then with your hand, sometimes it's a little hard because it's such a small little piece, but you're going to kind of, just like a bike, you can put that little throttle cable wire through, and I'm just using little needle nose pliers to try to push it down, and now it's in place. So, and if you see it move, then you know you're good. So on this one, there's a little bolt. It's a little bit of a governor. You don't need too much RPM on the actual screed, but this one's moving back and forth and we know it's working. If you ever lose that bolt, you can just put another bolt on and adjust that way. Hondas are pretty adjustable. So this one's gonna work, the engine's gonna start, and it's gonna throttle up to the right RPM, which is around 7,000 RPM, or vibrations per minute, for the Power Screed. So you're just trying to connect this throttle once again to that piece with the throttle cable and making sure it's locked into position. You can tighten it with a little wrench if you want to. And then after you're done, you'll just put your air filter back on. You'll also, if you haven't done already, you're gonna wanna connect your kill switch, your on and off switch, which is the wiring. You can see that in another video, but this is just for the wire. And say like you're on a job site and the wire or the throttle cable break, you can do the same steps to replace it.